I've been asked a few times now in comments why I'm putting the siding on before hanging the rafters. Part of it is due to the fact that I don't have any OSB on here for the shear strength, the movement of the wall side to side. I wanted the boards on here just to add to that strength. Secondly, I did not want to, if I can do it, have to notch the siding around the tails of the rafters. It just makes my life a little easier. But that's the main reason. Shear strength. That way the building won't want to move back and forth this way. Another question I get asked in comments quite a bit is, do I have a set of plans? And the easy answer is no. I know what I want, and I know placements, pretty much how I want everything to go. But as far as having it drawn out on paper, no, I don't have it. This is just a pretty simplified box, so there's not any real need to get too complicated with drawing stuff out. Now the doubled up rafters is where the dormer walls will sit on. Well, we got about half of the rafters up. And we all got cold, so that's enough of this for today. Well, good morning, everyone. It's quite the cool and crisp morning. I think it's 12 degrees above zero. But as you can see in the background, I got some of that siding on. And because I can't get any help today to hang the rest of these rafters and start working on the roof, I think what I'm going to do is measure across from wall to wall, snap a line, and that'll be my guideline for the first course of boards there. And then I will probably put a 2x8 over the seam, maybe notch the bottom, and then put a drip cap over the top of the 2x8 and run a secondary course above that. It'll be a nice little break. It'll add a little something to the two big gable ends. Well, yesterday another buddy of mine came over and we got the rest of the rafters up that I can put up currently. And I got the siding for the two gable ends, the first course cut down. And got these beams underneath cut back. I didn't do any filming yesterday because the buddy that was here didn't want to be on camera, so we didn't do a whole lot. We got the rest of the rafters up and got all the first course of siding for the two gable ends done. So we tried doing this the way I used to do it, but now we're going to try doing it a little different. I'm just too damn old. I'm going to try running a ladder up the peak of the roof. So the brother-in-law called this morning, decided he was going to come out and wanted to know if I wanted a hand on this roof. So I said, heck yeah.